It's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, and today we're doing a Valentine's Day sleigh. So if you want the deets, keep watching, and happy Valentine's Day. Let's get started. So clean face as always. I'm going to use my Fresh Rose Floral Toner. And now that we've toned the face, I'm going to put some moisturizer on. I'm going to also dip into my Clinique Pep Start. I love this stuff. I use it every morning since I've got it. And it's just really amazing how well it works. This is also a sample that I got from Chanel. It's really luxurious. It's called it's called Le Weekend de Chanel. And when I first got it, I used way too much, and so it was slipping and slotting all over my face. But I think I got the right mixture down now, just a little bit at a time, and if I feel really dry, then I'll put another layer on. But it does have a scent to it, so if you're like not into scents, definitely steer away from that because it does have a strong scent to it, but it works really well. Prime my face, and to do that I'm going to use my Venti primer. You guys know I am in love with all things Venti. But I'm not going to use my, I'm not going to use the foundation today. I am going to use a stick foundation today. I'm using my Hourglass. This is the foundation stick in the color Golden Almond, not Warm Almond. Golden Almond. Just bring it all of my face. After I was so excited that I wasn't breaking out and whatever I was doing was really working, all of a sudden now I'm seeing like little tiny pimples everywhere, and that blackhead is still there. Grab my concealers. This is the Tan, the Riche, and the Golden Almond, or Deep Golden, sorry. I don't know why I've got almond on the brain. Probably still from the Hourglass foundation stick. So I'm going to start with the Deep Golden, and this is the ColourPop, just in case you didn't catch that. No Filter Concealer. And just putting it on my little friend there so he can calm down, and then underneath my eyes. Make sure you get the sides of your nose to complete that snatched look. And then I'm going to use my highlight color. So while I'm doing this, oh, might as well do my perimeter too. Darken that up a little bit. I don't know why my makeup is acting funny today. You know when you don't do makeup for a long time and then you all of a sudden do it I don't know about you, but I sometimes like feel like, oh my God, what am I doing? It just doesn't look right. And it's the same way I've always been doing it. It's just that because I haven't been doing it in a while, I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. But we always come back to the fold. And it's like riding a bike, you know. Once you get the steps down of how you like your face to look, you can always tweak and adjust because nobody knows your face like you know your face. So even when you think, oh, I did a horrible job, like the outside people looking in, they don't know that. But because you know your face, you're like, no, I don't think I contoured enough there, or I need more. I'm just putting the rest of the concealer on my eyelids so I can do my eye look. And I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, but because I like the color that I did on my last video so much, I think I'm going to continue with that and do some color today as well. So we're just trying to brush up these eyebrows. My routine's changed up a little bit in terms of eyebrows, in that I have not been using the Benefit as much as I used to. And that's just because of no reason. Like, there's no particular reason why I'm not using it. It's just I wanted to change up a little bit. And so I've been using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I've been picking that up a little bit more than usual just to define. And then if I do need to, like if I need to do a second pass, then I use the Benefit. But lately this has been doing it for me. So, and I'm seeing lots more of my friends doing the microblading with very nice results, by the way. You guys are looking fabulous. So I think I may take the plunge and do it. Not sure when though, but when I do, I'll be sure to let you guys know and fill you in on all the details. Oh, and by the way, if you have not already, you know I am running a contest. It ends on February 28th, and the winner will be announced on March 1st. It is to get a $50 Fenty Beauty gift card. So if you have not yet done so, please go to that video. I'm going to leave a link for that in the description box. So that you can go and register to win. All you have to do is leave me a like, subscribe, which I know you have already, but subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, and in the comment section you're going to put lips, lashes, and luxury with the hashtag. And then also be subscribed on my Instagram, which is also Brown Girl Bella. And my Snapchat, which is actually Showtime 96. But the link for both are on, the link for both are on my homepage for this channel. So all you have to do is go to my homepage for this channel, and you can press on the link for Instagram and the link for Snapchat, and it'll take you right to me. I'll also leave them in the description box as well. And good luck. I mean, you guys know I love myself some Fenty Beauty. This is not sponsored. This is just me giving back, giving you guys a little love, post Valentine's Day. And if this turns out well, I may be doing this on a regular basis. Who knows? I think I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills. Start with Love Letter. Yeah. Let's start with Love Letter. That is this shade right here. So we're going to start with that. And a nice fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to go into, here, I'll use my mirror for this. I'll go into my crease. Just use that as a crease color. I'm going to go in deeper with Venetian Red, which is this color right here. And just deepen that up. Actually, before I do the lid color, I think I'm going to put some color down. I'm just going to put the Laura Mercier. This is her Caviar Stick color in Rose Gold. I'm just going to put that on my lid. I'm going to use Primavera on top, and that's this color right here. Still in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Using that same Kylie brush. Tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to gently pat. I'm going to start with Love Letter again, and I'm going to run that underneath. Just get a coat of mascara on. This is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced with that beautiful hourglass shaped brush. We're going to go with I Slay by Flutter. These lashes are very tricky, but I love them because they're so pretty. And we talk about flirtiness for Valentine's Day. It's like one of those lashes that screams Valentine's Day flirt. This is the most trickiest part, which is why I do them off camera, especially when they're new lashes. Like these are brand new out the pack. I can show you when I'm like struggling with my lashes. It's no big deal because who knows, you guys might be struggling too. So I think I want to do like a nice burgundy-ish, wine-ish color to go with the lids. But before I do that, I want to put a little bit of highlight on, and I am going to use my Illuminati, y'all. I love this lipstick by ColourPop because it is very, very creamy. It glides on very smooth, and it really makes your face pop. Even if you don't have on a whole lot of makeup, put this on and it instantly like brightens up your whole face. So that's why I love it so. All right, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget that I do have a contest going on to win a $50 Fenty gift card. Let's get into this Valentine's Day slay.